Hello there, welcome back to the Once a Week kitchen. Yesterday I uploaded pearl barley, cooked it, put it in little portions and froze it. I kept some out because today I'm going to make some vegetable and barley soup. It's my own invention. I've learnt how to make soup while working in a professional kitchen, and the rule is never throw any leftover vegetables away, or mashed potatoes or boiled potatoes. Never throw them away. If you can't use them straight away, put them in the freezer for when you're going to make some soup, because potatoes and leftover vegetables are enormously useful for thickening soup. So that way you've always got a base to make soup. And if you can make soup, you can survive the recession, and that's very important. So here goes vegetable and barley soup. Vegetable and barley soup. 1 large potato diced, 2 carrots diced, an onion diced, chopped, 2 sticks of celery finely diced, and half a large leek which has been washed and finely shredded. I've got a tablespoonful of curry paste, with this is tikka masala, a portion of barley, I don't know what that weighs but it's cooked, and a tin of chopped tomatoes. I've also got a litre of chicken stock which I've taken out of the freezer. You don't have to use chicken stock, you can use vegetable stock made with a cube, or you can use water, it doesn't matter. So those are the ingredients, plus some sea salt which I'll add at the end, and 2 tablespoonfuls of vegetable oil which are in the pan. Right, I'm heating the oil in the pan, adding the onion and the potato first of all. I'm going to give those a stir to coat them in the oil. So I'm going to turn down the heat, put the lid on, and I'm going to sweat those gently till they start to soften. The potatoes and onions have been sweating now for 5 minutes, beginning to soften. So I'm going to add in the rest of the vegetables. Carrots, celery, the leeks, give those a stir. Also add in the tomatoes, so rinse the tin out, and the stock. So I'm going to bring all this to the boil and simmer it for about 30 minutes, and then I'll add in the rest of the ingredients. Right, all the veg are tender now, so I'm going to pop in the curry paste. I've got a really good stir so that it spreads out through the soup. I'm going to pop in the pearl barley, which I've weighed it now, it's 4 ounces, cooked weight. And it's already cooked, so it's not going to need another 40 minutes like it would have done if I'd have put it in raw. Oh, that smells wonderful. I'm going to add in some salt as well. So far there's been no salt put in. And then I shall give it a taste. Fantastic. Must be enough in here for about 7 or 8 portions. Very nice. I'm going to just leave the lid off now and simmer it for another 10 minutes, then I'm going to serve it up with a wonderful cheese sandwich. Right, the soup's all cooked now, so I'm just going to serve some up. It smells wonderful. There you go, vegetable and barley soup with a wonderful cheese sandwich. It's got everything, vegetables, protein, flavour, absolutely delicious. So, and very, very cheap, easy peasy and cheap as chips. See you later, bye.